In this segment, we delve into the significance of bark in barbecue, which refers to the flavorful crust formed on the exterior of the meat during the cooking process. A well-developed bark is crucial as it not only enhances the overall taste of the meat but also adds depth and complexity to the flavor profile. To create a delectable bark on your barbecue, it is essential to consider factors such as the choice of rubs and seasonings, cooking techniques, and the role of smoke in imparting distinct flavors. When it comes to enhancing the flavor profile of your barbecue, the choice of rubs and seasonings plays a vital role. Selecting the right combination of rubs and seasonings can elevate the taste of your meat to new heights. It's important to consider the flavors you want to highlight and balance them accordingly. Layering and applying the rub effectively ensures that the seasonings penetrate the meat for maximum flavor infusion. Additionally, different seasonings can have varying effects on the bark, from adding a smoky depth to creating a sweet and savory crust. The low and slow cooking method is a cornerstone in achieving a flavorful bark on your barbecue. Cooking meats at a low temperature for an extended period allows the flavors to develop and the bark to form gradually. It is essential to maintain consistent heat throughout the cooking process to ensure even cooking and optimal bark formation. Understanding the ideal cooking temperature and time specific to the type of meat being cooked is crucial for achieving a perfect bark. This method enhances the tenderness and smoky flavor while creating a delectable crust on the meat. Understanding the role of smoke is essential in achieving a perfect bark on your barbecue. Different types of wood smoke, such as hickory and applewood, impart unique flavors and colors to the bark, enhancing both taste and appearance. Utilizing smoke as a technique to enhance the bark involves controlling the amount of smoke exposure during the cooking process. By adjusting factors like the type of wood, smoke intensity, and ventilation, you can influence the depth of flavor in the bark. Mastering the art of controlling smoke levels is key to achieving optimal results in bark formation. As we conclude, let's recap the essential points for achieving a flavorful bark on your barbecue. Remember to focus on selecting the right rubs, seasoning generously, and mastering the low and slow cooking method for optimal results. For additional expert tips, consider experimenting with different types of meat and exploring varied seasoning combinations to create unique flavor profiles. Embrace creativity and innovation in your barbecue techniques to discover your signature bark that sets your dishes apart. Encourage viewers to unleash their culinary creativity and explore new avenues in crafting the perfect barbecue bark.